Welcome guys, in this video I am with OnePlus Buds Pro and I'm going to show you how you can perform hard reset. Okay, so as you can see I'm connected with the buds, and to perform the reset you have to put them back to the case, close it, open, and then click and hold this button until this disconnect and disappear and this icon right here starts blinking quickly. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it and just simply take a look on this indicator. As you can see right now, it is blinking few times on the red and it goes to the pairing mode automatically. So right now, when I try to open the Bluetooth settings and tap on them on the previously connected buds, there will be the new pairing request. So the old connection was forget, and right now we can pair them for another time. So as you can see, we successfully performed the hard reset. So one more time, to perform the hard reset of these earbuds, you have to just simply put them to the case, close case, open, and then click and hold this button right here until this indicator start blinking on the red for 4 or 5 times. I just didn't count, so just forgive me guys. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.